Welcome to the channel. So I'm trying to share what I know from technical analysis to other guys in the YouTube. Please note this is not financial advice, it's just sharing my knowledge, so you can learn the technical analysis, and I'm still learning as well. Let's have a look. So all ordinaries, ASX all ordinaries in the screen now. Now we can see it has broken the previous high. So this is a weekly chart. So last 2 weeks it has closed above the previous high. That's good news. So I have put a text box here. So we have closed. We have closed. And you can see it's in uptrend. That's good news. I have put a trend line here just so you can see it is still in uptrend. ASX. So I'm planning to share with you few stocks which is in my watch list. Let's have a look. So first one I have is Macquarie Group. I have made some notes in the chart. So now if I go here, you can see this stock is in uptrend from see this line, that is trend line. So from about 2012 it is in uptrend, so it's coming back to the trend line, going, then go below, touch here, go below, go up, touch, go back up. So it is on an uptrend. So this stock is in uptrend. So this is the COVID low. Then it has gone up now and it has closed again above previous high. I have marked it is making higher lows. So this was the COVID low, and this is the other low, this is the other low. Sorry, these are making higher lows. Since it has closed this previous all-time high, this is the all-time high before the COVID crash, I expect this stock to go a bit higher. So last two, this is a weekly chart again. So you can see this has closed 2 weeks now above the previous high, and the volume also not that bad. So this is a stock in my watch list. Sometimes I expect this to go up slightly, then come down again to this previous high support line, then go up. Let's have a look what will happen in few weeks time. This is one of the stocks in my watch list. So let's have a look at the other one, that's CSL. I think most of you know CSL had a bad run. Again, I marked the long-term trend line here. If we go back, so you can see it's like it's in uptrend. This is that long-term trend line. Probably I should have adjusted something like this. So yeah, come here, back, up, down the trend line, go up the trend line, come, touch it again. Now it is down the long-term trend line, and I have marked a few support levels here. So you can see, I'll make it bigger. See, this is the COVID drop, that's the support level at the COVID, and there's another low here. So it's supported here, and I expect now it has closed above that support level. So this week it has closed above, even last week it has slightly closed above. So I expect again this will have a look another 1 or 2 weeks. If it is sort of sitting in this support level or keep like going up, because it has a uptrend, sort of it like seems like it has turned around, but let's have a look another 1 or 2 weeks to see if it actually goes up. Currently it has closed that support level it had previously. Let's have a look. Again, that's another one in my watch list. Next one I have is XRO. Again, it's another stock. It's in a long-term uptrend. You can see that uptrend going all the way from 2018 December sort of, and it has few major support resistance lines I have drawn here. So it after the COVID it peaked around December that time in 2020, then it came back sort of close to that long-term trend line, then it's going back up again. So it had a good run. If you look from this low, it has gone up about 40%, but now I think bit of selling pressure has come. So last week is a down week. Let's have a look how it unfolds next few weeks. Again, it's this is our long-term trend line, so it may come close to long-term trend line, or I have created another trend line from last two, sort of low at March 20 and low at March 21. So both March, so 1 year, like these two lows are within 1 year apart. So it may go up, maybe it comes sort of close to this trend line and go up. Let's see, it's another good stock to keep an eye. Last stock in my watch list is the ASX. Again, I'll show you it's on a long uptrend. As you can see, it's in a long uptrend. Yeah, so there's a big gap from the trend line, came back up, now it's below the trend line. So I have put a trend for the downward sort of trend. Now it has broken that downward trend line. So you can see it went down, down, down. Now seems like turned around from here. Let's have a look. So has a reasonable run. Volumes are okay. Yeah, it's another stock to keep an eye. If it keeps going up another few weeks, that may be a good time to enter, because these stocks are really good stocks. If you are planning to get this one for the long term, yeah, that's maybe the time. Have a look, keep an eye, and see how they unfold. As I said before, these are not financial advice. This is just I am sharing my knowledge. Again, I'm not expert in this technical analysis. I just learn by myself. So I may be right, I may be wrong, but that's sharing what I think. Please do your own analysis, and if you want to buy these stocks, yeah. So I'll see you next week.